Hey, you are welcome to my channel. This is Ganiva Air channel where we talk about mini importation, personal development, and lifestyle as well. Today's episode, we are going to talk about how to track your things on 1688. So if you've ordered something on 1688, I'm going to show you today how you can know if your things has reached to the warehouse in China, that's the shipping company, or if it hasn't reached to the shipping company in China. So let's go straight into what today's video is about. So we will go to the me profile. Let me change this color before. We will go to the me profile to check for our tracking of our items. Okay, good. So when we come to the me profile, we would click on to receive, because to ship means that our items is in transit, but to receive means that it is either in the warehouse or it is very close to the warehouse in terms of delivering your items to the shipping company. So let's click on to receive. Now when we click on to receive, then we click on logistic. I've already explained all these parts on my channel, so you can check my videos on how to get your tracking number and the 1688 me profile. I've explained a lot there, so you can just check it. So let's click on the logistic. One of these, let me use the selfie stick. So this means that my things has been sent to the warehouse, and this is my tracking number. So I can just copy my tracking number from this place and send it to my shipping company, or take a screenshot of everything here and send it to my shipping company that my items has arrived in their warehouse. So he should check and confirm for me. That's how to track your things on 1688. I repeat, when you see this, it means that your things has been to the warehouse. So you would copy your tracking number from this place and send it to your shipping company, or you would take a screenshot of this and send it to your shipping company that you have seen that your items has been to their warehouse. So he should confirm it for you if truly they have received your items. That's how you can track your things on 1688. You can as well check some information here. Yeah, you can as well check this place. You see all of this place? Yes, these are information about your things. So let's take a screenshot of this and send it to Google Translate so that we will understand what is here. So this is the translation of the screenshots. So you could simply see that your package has been successfully inspected and accepted. Yes, to be transferred, and is to be transferred to its destination from the consolidated warehouse. You have any question, please contact the carrier, the branch number, or the complaint hotline. Thank you for using YTO Express, and we look forward to serving you again. So you could simply see that my things has been shipped to the warehouse in China, the shipping company. So you could see the time and the date that they received my item, which is 3rd December, and the time is 7:53, which means that my things has been to the warehouse. So all of these things are information about my items. So you could see that here it was in transit, here it was in transit, here it was in transit, here it was also in transit, here it was also in transit. Yes. And you can see that here it was very close to the warehouse, and here my package has been there, and here it has been received. And you can see that here it has been signed for, which means that my shipping company has signed for it, that yes, they have received my items. So this is how you can know about your tracking your items on 1688. So let's go back to the 1688 homepage and let me show you something from there. So let's go back to an order that I just made a purchase on, and let's check some. So this one, I ordered it I think 4 days ago, this one as well, but with this I just made a purchase with the 24-inch braid hair French, that's the curls hair. I just made a purchase just right now. So the tracking of the items will be different from the tracking of these two. Okay, so let me just go straight away clicking on logistic. So when I come to logistic, you could see your shipping mark. So when I come to the logistic, you could see your tracking number there, and you could see that my things is not even in transit, because if it is in transit, you could see that red line like this, coming to this place, but there is no red line or there is no dots coming to this place. So which means that my things has not even been in transit. It is not in transit to the warehouse because I just bought it. But you can check for your tracking number, and you can simply copy it from here and send it to your shipping company that you are going to receive such an item, so please look forward to it. So this simply means that my things is not even in transit. Okay, yeah, so that's what simply how to track your things, because that first one that I showed, there was some red line here, yeah, and you could see that it has reached to this place, which means that it is in the warehouse. So that's simply what is to track your items on 1688. I hope you've learned a lot of things today, and I hope this video has helped you so much. You can as well track your things on the message app. So let's click on the message app, and you check for this car and you click on it. So this icon simply means that all of your orders you've made on 1688 are here. Since you opened the 1688 account, everything that you've ordered before, they are at this place. Okay, yeah, so let's click on one and check for the tracking number. So we are clicking on this one. You could see here that my things are in the warehouse. This one, you could see that my things are in their warehouse, and you could see the difference. With this one, there isn't even red line, but with this one there is red line. That's what it is. Okay, that's how it is to know if your things has been to the warehouse. So you can also check your tracking number, or you can as well check if your things has been to the warehouse from this place. And this is the message that you can take a screenshot of and translate it to know that you have received it. So this is the same text that I took a screenshot on. So you can see the 3rd December 7:53 there. Yes, that's exactly how it is. So today I know you've learned a lot on how to track your things on 1688, how to know if your things has reached to the shipping company in China on 1688 app. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel we talk more about personal development, how to develop yourself as an individual, how to thrive in your personal growth as an individual, not only about mini importation. And we also have some fun time with our lifestyle videos. So please do all to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share to someone you think need this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and it's bye.